The results section of a research article. Reporting results of statistical analysis. The statistical significance. Not to prove a hypothesis, but to disprove it by demonstrating the unlikelihood given the evidence provided. The likelihood, or the level of significance, is expressed as the p-value. The smaller the p-value, the stronger the findings. A p-value less than 0.01 indicates the difference between data sets could have resulted by chance only 1 out of 100 times. The degree of freedom is also represented. It's the number of values that are free to vary, and the effect size is a good measure to show, which demonstrates the strength of the phenomenon. The null hypothesis and type 1 and type 2 errors. In reality, if the null is false and you decide to reject the null, you have made a good decision. If the null is true and you fail to reject the null, you have also made a good decision. If the null is false and you fail to reject it, you have made a type 2 error, also known as a false negative. If the null is true and you reject it, you have made a type 1 error, which is called a false positive. On the left is a false positive. The doctor is telling the man you're pregnant when he's obviously not. To the right is a false negative. The doctor is telling the pregnant woman that she's not pregnant.